coders. In this video, we're gonna see the next question in our LeetCode 75 list. So let's see what the question is. And yeah, the question is find the highest altitude. This is the question. This is the first question in prefix sum. We have solved all questions from a range string, two pointers, and sliding window. Now we'll solve the prefix first question in prefix sum, that is the find highest altitude. So let's see what the question is. The question is, there is a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n plus 1 points at different altitudes. The biker start his trip on point 0 with altitude equals to 0. Okay. And you are given an integer array gain of length n, where gain I is the net gain in altitude between I and I plus 1. Okay. Between the points I and I plus 1. Return the highest altitude of a point. Okay. So they have given gain, and we are starting we are starting from ground level, that is altitude equal to 0, and they are giving the gain basically. So let's just dry run it first. Like we are at 0 level, and on this we'll dry run it. Let's take this first, and let's see, we are as they have given us key, we are at 0 level. Then we are then the zeroth point and the next point, the gain I have like in altitude gain is given by gain vector, and that is the -5. So 0 and the next point's difference is -5, so it will be -5 only. Then it's basically at I'm 0, and then I'm giving plus -5, that is, this is basically this is my ground level, and if I'm going down, then they are giving it minus, like I'm I traveled -5 less height from the ground level. So 0 plus -5 is equals to -5 only. So I am at -5 level. Then I am at -5 level, and the next point difference is +1 that they have given. After that I just gain one height above. So a -5 plus 1 is equals to -4. Then I'm at -4, and then I gain +5 height. Then -5 -4 plus 5, then it is 1. And likewise we will go next, like now I am at 1 height, and then after that the gain of height is 0. So that I just travel on the same level, basically that biker is travel on the same level, so gain is 0, and the height remains same, that is 1. Then we'll go, the next point is -7. Then again I went down, like -7 height went down, so 1 plus -7, so it is equals to -6. And from all these heights, from 0 was the initial height, and from 0 including 0 -5 -4 1 1 -6, highest is 1. So our answer will be 1 year. So that's the answer, and that's what the question is saying. And how we'll solve it? We'll take one variable, that is our current height. According to them, our current height is 0, and our highest height that we achieved is also 0, cause right now I'm at 0 level, so highest height I have achieved is 0. Cause keep remember, we are going down too, so 0 can be the highest level also. So yeah, so let's take height like gain for and is equals to 0. We'll take the current height, or not current height, basically it's not current height, it's a current gain, it's not current height to like it's not current height where we have reached, it's basically the height difference from where was I and where I am now. So like where the biker is now. So gain dot size, we'll just take it, and the height difference between the 2 points is basically given that, and we'll add it to the our current height, and gain r, and we'll check the current height is greater than highest height. If it is, then we'll store it our highest height, and otherwise will not. So for that we have max function, we'll use that, like my highest height I achieved till now is equals to maximum of highest height, which, and current height, and I'll return highest height that I have achieved, and that will be my answer. So basically this question is simple, but the intuition of this question is to teach you a prefix sum. So whatever we have did here, like we are continuously adding the numbers, that is the prefix sum only. So through that easy question, prefix sum concept we can understand through this easy question. Like that's the point here. The point, or uh, we can say ki the question is easy, so we can skip, not such like thing here. This easy question trying to teach us prefix sum, and we should understood that, and we have understood now that. Yeah. And let's see the time complexity of our question. Time complexity for this question, like for this answer, is big of n, because we are using just one for loop here. And space complexity for this question is big of 1, because we just use two variables, and that is the constant. So time complexity big of n, and space complexity is constant only. So yeah, we'll see, we'll meet in next video, and if you like the video, then yeah, like, share and subscribe. Bye.